Hello and welcome to iQuanta. Today we'll be discussing a very interesting question which was posted on Facebook as basic CAT practice. Modi can complete a job in 10 days and Rahul can complete it in 8 days. Modi, Rahul and Amit together complete the job in 4 days and are paid a total amount of rupees 1000 as remuneration. If this amount is shared by them in proportion to their work, then Amit's share in rupees will be what? All right, so this is an easy question, a very basic technique we'll be using to solve this. But after that, I'll be doing some kind of magical shortcut technique, and so stay tuned till the end of the video. All right. So the first way which comes to my mind, the conventional approach is the LCM. We can assume the total work to be equal to LCM of the given numbers. That is, Modi can do in 10 days, so LCM of 10, Rahul in 8 days, 8, total in 4 days. So this will be the LCM and this is equal to 40 units. So we can say that there are 40 units of total work to be finished. All right, that means if I try to calculate 1 day's work of all these guys, then Modi would have done 40 upon 10, that is 4 units. Very simple calculation. 40 units of work is there, he can do in 10 days, so every day he is doing 4 units of work. And similarly, this guy Rahul would be doing 40 upon 8, that comes out to be 5 units of work per day. And total, like Modi plus Rahul plus Amit, I'm using MRA for their names, they are doing in 4 days. So combined, they will be doing every day 40 upon 4. That comes out to be 10 units of work. Now let us look at this. So Modi is doing 4 units, Rahul is doing 5 units, and all of them, including Amit, are doing 10 units of work. So if I want to calculate only Amit's 1 day's work, I can subtract 5 and 4 from 10. That comes out to be 1 unit of work. All right. So in one day, they are doing 4 plus 5 plus 1, that is 10 units of work combined. And all of them are getting paid according to the work done. So Amit's share, like Amit has done 1 unit of work out of total of 4 plus 5 plus 1, 10 units of work. His share will be 1 by 10 of 1000. That comes out to be rupees 100. I hope this solution is crystal clear, a very easy solution. And if we go by this, we'll be spending close to 45 seconds. Now, what if I want to solve this question just by reading the statements? Is that possible? Of course it is. So let's say that you take 10 seconds to read the question. Simultaneously, your mind will start acting up and you'll be able to solve the question as soon as finish reading the question. So I can say 10 seconds in reading and let's say 5 seconds more. So in totality of 15 seconds, you'll be able to solve this question, get the answer without using pen. But here I'll be using pens just as to show you what exactly goes on in my mind. All right, so let me erase this. Now when I'm reading it, Modi can complete in 10 days, Rahul in 8 days, Modi, Rahul, Amit together in 4 days and are paid all this amount. All right. So one thing is for sure that all these guys are working for 4 days individually because the work is complete in 4 days. Okay. So according to Modi, Modi is doing 10% of work every day. Why can I say that? Because total work is 100%. And in 10 days, if he's able to finish the work, that means he is doing 10% of the work every day, isn't it? So what is happening in these 4 days? This is something which we can just calculate mentally. In 4 days, Modi must have done 4 multiplied by 10, 40% of work. This guy, Rahul, see, Rahul is able to complete in 8 days and he has worked only for 4 days. What is 4? 4 is half of 8, or I can say 50%. That means Rahul would have done 50% of the work. 40 plus 50 is 90. Whatever remaining work is there is 10% would have been done by Amit. Now, what is 10% of 1000? It's 100. That is the answer, which will be just, you can solve in 15 seconds, including the time you take in reading the question. Hope you enjoyed this solution. We'll be coming up with more such interesting problems and techniques. Stay tuned to iQuanta. Best of luck.